how to create a bolt in Blender in under 1 minute. Let's jump right into the video. Go to Edit, Preferences, Add, here write bolt, and please check this. Now go to Add, Mesh, and Bolt. Now you have a bolt. Right click, Shade Smooth, go to this icon, add modifier, and please add edge split. Now you have a bolt that looks awesome. Right click, change bolt, add bolt, and here you can also add some settings to your bolt. Okay, major, there's a bunch of things you can change here. Pitch, crest, root, and div count. Bolt model, not, but we want bolt. We have different ways to change the bolt. You can play with the settings. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this tutorial saved you time. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials.